it's Tia, aka Everyday Monet, and I have a backdrop and I have a ring light and I feel so like, woo, I'm special and fancy. I'm just teasing. But I just want to say before I get started with this video, I cut all my hair off. Oh my gosh, look at it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? It was really actually difficult for me to do, but it makes these bangs make way more sense, I think. So I want to thank you for coming, and today's video we are going to talk all about lashes. Woo! I love lashes. So let's get started. I just wanted to do this video because I talk about false lashes all the time. I don't think I go into enough depth about the lashes, what I choose, what I don't choose. So I just wanted to share a little bit of my lash secrets in terms of the type of lashes I use and like how I use them. The first type of lashes I actually always scoop up are Halloween lashes. And I know what you're thinking, you're like, Halloween lashes, those are crazy, like I can't use those for every day. But I feel like if you cut them, you can totally use them for every day. And if you're someone like me who only uses false lashes or you use them a lot, then you don't have to worry about like this whole like colored mascara and all this kind of nonsense, and it really can help out. So the one brand that I always scoop up is this Fright Night brand. And these lashes here are called Ghostly. They do glow in the dark, but I mean, I've never used them in that way. So I just really like, if you look at the girl and how they look, just, I love when there's that separation. It just, they look so cute on. So these are lashes I always scoop up, and I usually get them from Walmart. Another one, these are my absolute favorite ones. They still sell these. These are from Fright Night, and they're the Midnight Magic, and you can see they're purple on the ends. And what I do is I actually cut them in half, and then you're going to see, because there's a curvature, this half I would use for like an everyday, and then this half, because it's more full, I put it right up here in the corner, and it just gives this like pop of purple that's crazy. I love it. Next in my bin is from that Halloween Spirit store, and these are a two-tone. They're sort of black and blue. I love blue mascara, this cobalt blue mascara on my eyes. I absolutely love it. And because I don't use a lot of mascara, I mean, I don't use it to begin with, and then to buy a cobalt blue mascara that's gonna go bad is just goofy, right? So when I found these, I was so excited. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I have my like sewing scissors, and I'll go ahead and cut these so that I can wear them and they don't look too much. And really, it doesn't look like any different than wearing blue mascara once you get them on. The ones I'm actually wearing today are from the Eylure. This is Easy Elegance, and this one, Eylure lashes. These are the Vegas Nay, and these are the Easy Elegance ones. I actually got these at Kmart because like my Kmart went out of business. But I do cut them in half, and I have one pair that'll fit, and then when you cut them a little bit, there's just corners, and I like when I'm doing a really strong cat eye, I just stick them right in the corners. I'm really liking not only the Eylure, but I'm really liking the Vegas Nay ones. There's a bunch of them. So that's that. Let's see what else is in here. These were limited edition Wet n Wild Color Icon false lashes from, I want to say it was like spring of last year. It was like spring of last year, and you can see there's just the tiniest bit of glitter, which would be right at the base. So it can really, if you put them on right, it's gonna just look like you have sort of like a glitter liner. And these ones are too cute. I actually have a whole box, but I just pulled out like the basic ones, or the ones that I have like doubles of. These ones I just got from Kiss. These were their Halloween lashes this year. This one, they had a bunch of different limited edition ones. These are Flutterful and Fierce Halloween edition, and you can see those. They're just super full, but you see so many of these ones that are like faux mink or whatever, and they're so expensive. They're like $20 something for lashes. No thank you. I think these were $1.99 or something like that. So I have those. I have a couple more of the Vegas Nays. We had Easy Elegance. I also picked up a Shining Star. These ones I just got at Walmart on clearance, so you can see those ones there. They're just very full, and what I'm actually going to do is cut them right in half, and they're almost going to be like 2 pair of the same because the arc on them isn't really that strong. And the other Vegas Nay ones that I got is, oh, I lied, these ones are Crazy Ray Ray, and they're kind of similar, but these definitely taper in towards the inner part. And you can see these ones don't taper in. Sorry, I'm using this new ring light and like it's washing out just a little bit, but we're trying to upgrade, and so I will figure it out. Next is another Fright Night. These ones are some of my absolute favorites. These are mesmerizing, and I don't know if you can see it. I feel like if I tip it up, you can see that there's like a little wispiness that comes off the base here. When I cut these, I usually cut these and I put these on the edge. It is just a wispy cat eye like no other. So I absolutely love these. These were on clearance at Walmart. I really like these Salon Perfect lashes. I used to see them at Ross all the time, super cheap, and I was like, oh, those look junky because there's like so many in one. But I use them, and these are the Demi Wispies, and I just love, love, love Demi Wispies. Love. Another one of my favorites for like going out and like having fun is from the Fright Night, and these are the black wings, and so you can see they're very winged, but they have like a black glitter on them. So actually if you're just like wearing them and you're out, no one's gonna necessarily notice until you close your eyes, and it's just so pretty. I feel like people think, oh, they're Halloween lashes, they can only be used at Halloween, but it's like basically if you're slapping glitter on yourself, or if you were gonna wear a glitter liner anyway, a little bit of glitter on your eyelashes is not gonna make a difference. And the next one I have is from that Eyelure, and this one was with Ann Lee, and hers were so fancy. They did like a whole vlogger series. And these are similar to the other ones, they're just like shorter. Then I have these from Ardell. These were their color impact to enhance your eye color. There we go. So if you can see, they're actually green, and they're for hazel or brown eyes, and I actually have hazel brown eyes, and they're just wispy, and they're like a green color. It's very hard to see. But these are just, like I said, it's like wearing colored mascara, so I really like those. Next one, I actually used these. These were for, I just got these limited edition, I want to say for around Halloween, this past Halloween, and I had to go to so many stores to find these. These are the Wet n Wild Fuchsia Fantasy. I will link up here a video I did using these, and I cut them in there, and I showed you how to use these. I mean, they are fuchsia. They don't look, they're not crazy fuchsia. I mean, I would say more maroon. I went to so many Walmarts trying to find these. They only had this weird display where there's only like 4, and then that was it. So I scooped up as many as I could. Another one from, this is Fantasy Makers by Wet n Wild, and these ones are in Twilight. These are definitely some glitter sparkle lashes. Again, if I'm out, like, I don't mind, I'll glitter sparkle them. I wouldn't wear these ones to work, but I would wear a majority of the other ones to work because I like false lashes. These are another ones from the Fantasy Makers. These are the Wildly Wicked, and they actually have this like silver foiling going on. If you can see, it's not sparkle, it's like a foil. I have not used these yet, so I don't know how they wear, how they look on, so I will keep you posted on those. These ones are so cute. These are from Fright Night by Ardell, and they're called Bat Those Lashes and in Enchanting, and they have just these little rhinestones on them, and I feel like, oh my gosh, going out, it's like when your eyes are open, you won't see them. It's just like anytime you would blink, and I love lashes like that. And then I got these. I actually got these from Ollie's like so many years ago, and I forgot I had these. It's the same sort of glitter lash, but it's like gold. This is really just for fun, like going out, whatever. I have this like little bead thing that I keep. These are all the lashes that I have. And I'll pull out a few in here. I have my little lash glues in here. Like, so the cobalt blue ones that I showed you, these are ones that I had cut so that I could fit them. And you can see just like how pretty they would look on. Yeah, they do. They look pretty on. I have these. These are similar to the black sort of sparkly ones that were called Black Wings, and they're in purple. I love wearing purple or blue lashes, and you can see I actually did cut these. They come shorter, and you would just put them like right on here, and they just be like a little purple on the edge, and they just open up the eye, and they're so cute. So I have those. So a few more that I have here. If you've watched any of my awesome makeup finds, you've probably seen these. These are the Vintage Cosmetics lashes, and I have them in several different kinds. This one's in Betty. I'm in with Betty. We also have Gracie. And then I also have Connie. And these are definitely like more like everyday type lashes. I did get a few, okay, these ones I got from Gabriel Brothers, and this was, I think, a pretty old collab with Makeup Shayla through Flutter Lashes, but I absolutely love this style of lashes. Like I said before, I like lashes that have this sort of gap. But then this also has the flutteriness at the end. I mean, these are literally probably like my perfect lashes. Color Impact by Ardell, and these ones are the same style, but these are in like a blue, and it's not going to be like the big like thick cobalt blue. It's going to be more of a natural lash with just a little bit of blue on it. More like you would get if you were actually wearing blue mascara and not huge blue fake lashes. If you want to see like a tutorial or a makeup look using any of these particular lashes, just let me know, and I can show you how I cut them and everything. And then the last two that I'm going to pull out to show you I got from Kohl's. These were the Katy Perry lashes that they had through Eylure, and these ones are Cool Kitty, and all of hers are super big. And then the last one I have is Oh My, and I mean those are like legit huge lashes. So that's the gist of my eyelash collection, and like I said, if you want to see how I use them, how I cut them, how I make some of these crazier like Halloween lashes work for more of an everyday or just like a, you know, going to dinner type look, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my new background and my little ring light and stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.